G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's food review time, and today I've come to KFC, my favourite. They've got 4 new $8 buckets. So I was going to go in and grab one of these buckets, see what's in it. Now on the photo it looks like there's a whole mixture of things, but I don't think there is. And on the email I got it said, get what floats your bucket for the next few Tuesdays. Not everywhere, not forever, and while chicken lasts. Well, as if KFC's going to run out of chicken. Come on, we're not England. Each bucket has a set number of KFC pieces, so no swaps, please. Rightio, you don't have to get nasty about it. So I've got all the apps here. Look how many buckets there are. Looks like 4 buckets. And, well, when I click on one of these buckets, this one says it's a 5-piece bucket for $8. Well, that's not a deal. Because on Tuesdays, I can also get 9 pieces for $10.95, which means for an extra $3, I can get 4 more pieces. So I won't be getting that bucket. That's a rip-off. This one says it's got 3 dipping sauces, but it looks like chicken nuggets, but it doesn't tell you how many there is. This bucket, it's got tenders, 10 chicken tenders. That could be all right. And then there's this bucket, which has got like just a photo and then nothing underneath to tell you what it is. Come on, KFC. I always think your app's the best, but sometimes it's pretty bad. I'm thinking that's hot and spicy and, well, I'm guessing it's only 5 pieces. So what do? Which one would you get? Well, for starters, I'm not a nuggets person. They're pathetic and they're not satisfactory. Then there's the 5 pieces of hot and spicy. Well, I think it is. The app doesn't tell me. And then there's the 5 pieces of original, which I can actually swap out for a piece of hot and spicy. But I don't want 5 pieces for $8 because I can get 9 pieces for $11. Which leaves 1 bucket left. The 10 tenders for $8. So let's get one of those and see how good this KFC's tenders are. Looks like I can add some sides, chips and a drink for another $6. You got to be joking. I can go to Woolies and buy a drink and a whole bag of chips for less than that. So I won't be getting that. Anyway, let's get these tenders. Check out. All right, here we go, the $8 bucket. Let's suss out what 10 tenders looks like. Oh, yeah. Da, 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 da. Oh, you absolute little ripper. Actually, we better count to make sure I did get my 10. 1, 2... 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, get it, 8, whoa, that one looks like a seahorse, get it, 9, 10, yeah, that's a shame, it's a shame I didn't get an extra one, a baker's 10, wonder what a baker's 10 would be, anyway, we better try one, huh? Just for old time's sake. Get it? Doesn't take much to make me happy, I tell ya. Come at me. Oh, that is good. Whoa, they're salty. But just think, after this one, I've still got 9 to go. Well, there you go. There's an $8 bucket, only on Tuesdays, and only for a few weeks. What score would I give it out of 10? Well, 10 chicken tenders for $8. I reckon that's pretty good value. I mean, if you could, resist yourself, you could have one every day for the next 10 days. That's never gonna happen. Of course, KFC tastes amazing. But for this bucket, mate, I reckon this bucket's an awesome bucket. But it's not amazingly awesome, is it? I think I'm just going to give it 9 out of 10. Because they could have made it $5 or thrown in some chips or something. Or do something. Maybe a drink. Not for another $6 either. But for those other buckets, 5 pieces for $8. I mean, that's good. But it's not great. Especially when I can get another 4 for an extra $3. Not good enough. And chicken nuggets, I mean, the app doesn't even tell you how many of whatever you're getting, so what a pointless app that is. Even though it is one of the best apps going around. But anyway, here's the time for you to put down in the comments section which bucket you would have gotten, and I want to know why. Would you have chosen the 10 tenders? Or would you have got like 5 pieces? Or would you have gone the nuggets with dipping sauces? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next fast food review. See you then. Yes!
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. Ooh yeah.
Right, where's the seahorse? Oh, here it is. Giddy up!